If you like, that thing will carry you come station again. Make it carry you come back. You go see what we go do you this time around. Come on, they go! Hey! You go cry.
Jesus, let me call you back.
I better no run. Have you human being? I just come out from prison. I bet shall we see anything for your mouth? Take chop, I beg.
Are you sure you are okay?
I don't lie for you. I don't do okay. But I be human being.
Okay, call me your account number.
I obviously remember that one like this.
You did what?
Ma try. 166 719 40. I better check the name and go to mistake. I beg.
Go Sueze.
Now maybe that.
Sent. I just sent you 2 million now.
Jesus. Until God go bless you. Anything where they find for earth, you go see him. You see this my condition? You never ever see him for your life.
Amen. No, I even reject it.
You don't know what you do for me. For this hard economy, you send me 2 million. That 2 million don't even reach for me to start business. God go bless you.
Oh, please excuse me.
Okay.
Hello, Mama. What? Bag of rice is now 10.1 million naira.
Jesus.
Mama, please don't be going home. I'll complete the money next week. Okay? I don't really have much on me.
Sister Ben, which year we did so?
2030 now.
Jesus. Ha! God, I beg. People in this prison don't know what you do for them.